5. Okay. 5 participants are there, so I'm okay with that. So welcome to this new, you can say, online event, which I have named Body, Mind and Soul. And why I have named it Body, Mind and Soul, that I will explain you later on in this workshop. Now, this workshop is going to be a one-way workshop because we don't have enough time that we can go for some discussion. But you can note down all your queries, all your doubts, and afterwards you can message me your doubts and we can connect and I can clarify all your problems, issues, and doubts. Fine? So let's start. Okay, so this is your session, Body, Mind, and Soul. And you will be having so many questions in your mind. What is the purpose of this workshop? What we are going to learn out of it? How this is going to be beneficial in my future, in my career? So we will answer one by one all these questions. Now, before I go forward, there are a few participants who are new to me. They don't know me, so I will just explain a bit about myself. So from last 6 years, I am into training and counseling field, and I have done my studies from Netarhat Vidyalaya. So all who are hailing from Bihar, they will be knowing this school. It was a residential school, and it was a pure Hindi medium school. So till 12th, I was in Hindi medium school, and then I did my hotel management, then job for about 17 years, and then I came into training and counseling. I sent all of you a link of a video which was letter to grandson from grandfather. I hope you all must have gone through that video. I want all of you to tell me one by one the best point of that video which you liked. So one sentence or one line from that video which you liked the most. So we can start from Shagufa, and then I'll just call the name and you can tell me one best point of that video. If you have not seen that video, you can say, okay, I have not seen. It's okay. So Shagufa, any good thing about that video? Shagufa, you have to unmute and speak.
First of all, good evening, all of you. And today I'm going to explain a great father's letter to grandson. And
one thing only.
The story. Yes, yes,
only one.
Yes. I like. We should not waste our time to do bad thing, and try to do every day more and more valuable and beautiful day.
Okay, thank you very much.
We have, yes, that's it.
So इस दुनिया में इतना कुछ है सीखने के लिए, जानने के लिए कि हमारे पास कुछ भी समय नहीं है बर्बाद करने के लिए. Okay, ईशान.
Good evening to all of you. Myself, Ishan. I think the best part of that video was the theme of that. Like there is a communication between a grandpa and the grandson. That was the mind-blowing and awesome part. Because most of time in our society, that will be somewhere lost. We lost that part. And when our elders want to connect, that will be a loving part. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ishan. Anmol, your best line.
First of all, the best part of the video is grandfather summarized all the lesson of his life, and he wrote a letter for his grandson. This is the best part. And second thing is, he said that you are born to make this world more beautiful. That's all.
Excellent. Cookie.
Sorry, sir, but I think so.
You have not gone through that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues. You can just connect to me afterwards, and I will send you the link. You can go through it. Pushkar.
Sure.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
The best part from video is never be adult from mind. Always mindset will be always just like I am child every time, and the mind is always be full of curiosity.
Okay, okay. यानी कि शरीर से ही बड़े होना, दिल से
Mind
हमेशा
से नहीं
बच्चे बना रहना, दिल से
रहना।
दिमाग से बच्चे बने
Yes,
रहना.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pushkar. Aryan. Aryan, you want to tell something about that
Yeah.
video?
गुड इवनिंग सर, नहीं अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ तो अभी पता नहीं है क्या हो रहा है.
नहीं, एक मैंने भेजा था आपको वीडियो का लिंक. So I wanted to
जी,
know,
जी,
have
जी.
you seen that?
No sir, I forget.
You have
to
not
see,
seen.
sir.
Okay, okay, leave it, leave it. Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
So,
Okay, sir.
if you will ask me about that video, I will tell you the
Yeah.
punchline of that video is that
Yes sir.
you all have come in this world only for one purpose, that is to make this world more beautiful and amazing place. Okay, so the purpose of this Pathshala club or my workshop is also same, that how we can convert into, how we can grow into a better human being, so that we can do something wonderful for this world and for society. Now, coming back to our body, mind, soul topic, this Pathshala club, it works on 3 principles, which I want to tell again and again, as many times as I can say. That is attitude, skill, and knowledge. So for becoming a good, you can say, resource person, for becoming a good human being, you have to be skilled. Either you are a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, you have to be skilled in your trade, in your field. And for getting the nice skill, the right skill, you have to get a good knowledge. And for getting good knowledge, a positive attitude is required. So if you want to be a good human being, you have to be having good attitude. With the help of good attitude, you will find good knowledge. You will get good knowledge. And with the help of good knowledge, you will convert that into good skill, and you will become a very important, resourceful person for the society. Now we'll move forward. Now we will come for this word personality. Personality, how it came into being, why we coined it, how we coined it. So it came with a word called persona. Personality came from a word called persona. Persona, the meaning is mukhota, face mask, you can say. And in earlier days, people used to wear those personas, those face masks, for doing any role. Suppose if you want to be a king, you have to wear the face mask of a king. If you want to become a soldier, wear that. So personality means something which we wear on us. Means I am happy, I am sad, I am anxious, I am worried. When I am in my workplace, when I am in society, I have to wear something which is pleasing. Suppose if I am having a problem in my house, in my life, I cannot go to my workplace, I cannot go to my school and college, and I can tell all of them, see, I am very unhappy because of this problem. I have to wear a mask, right? Similarly, if I'm so happy, again, I have to filter it. That filter is personality. So initially, we try to filter it, but the more you practice, you will find that slowly that becomes your personality, your part of life. मतलब ऐसा हुआ, इसका समरी यही हुआ कि अगर आप इसको बार बार अपने यूज में लाते हैं, इफ यू यूज इट अगेन एंड अगेन, it becomes like that you are happy or you are sad, it doesn't matter. आप एक उसको इंग्लिश में एक वर्ड है ट्रांस, TRANCE, ट्रांस. So you achieve that trance state. मतलब दुख से आप दुखी नहीं होते और सुख से आप सुखी नहीं होते. You are in trance. आपको कुछ खास अंतर नहीं पड़ता है. And when you attain that type of stage, then you have the best personality. Means this world cannot disturb you. That is the best one. This is the best part of ours. Okay. So first we'll discuss this body, mind, and soul. Why these three elements are important, right? So the moment we meet someone, the first thing which we notice is what? Is his or her appearance. वो व्यक्ति दिखने में कैसा है? And that is the first impression. And we denote this first impression with the help of body, appearance. यानी कि आप जब भी कहीं भी जाते हैं, जो आपकी grooming है, the way you present yourself, that is the part of your personality, that is body. यानी कि आपके कपड़े, आपका हेयर स्टाइल, द बैग यू कैरी, द बाइक, द पेन, द शूज एंड सॉक्स, मीन्स व्हाटएवर, जो भी चीजें आपसे अटैच्ड हैं, जो दिखती है लोगों को, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी. सो आपको ये देखना है कि व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग समवेयर, इन अ वर्कशॉप, इन अ मीटिंग, माय स्कूल, माय कॉलेज, इन अ फंक्शन, I have to be matching with what I am. For example, if you go to meet a doctor and you find that that doctor is wearing some Salman Khan wala bracelet, having some weird haircut, right? Some big, you can say वो क्या पहनते हैं, माला वगैरह पहनते हैं वो, that's it. तो क्या होगा, आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि वो डॉक्टर है, right? And similarly, अगर कोई सपोज परफॉर्मर है, स्टेज परफॉर्मर, और वो बकायदा व्हाइट कोट और बहुत ही सीरियस बन के चला आता है, देन पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक हिम सीरियसली, राइट? यानी कि जो मेरा प्रोफेशन है, जो मेरा इस वर्ल्ड में काम है, व्हेनेवर आई एम इन पब्लिक, आई शुड मैच विथ माय प्रोफेशन. जो मेरा प्रोफेशन है उससे मुझे मैच करना चाहिए. इफ आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, आई शुड लुक लाइक अ स्टूडेंट. If I am a teacher, I should look like a teacher. If I'm a doctor, I should look like a doctor. तो इस बॉडी से मतलब ये है कि whenever you are going out, you are going in public, always ask yourself कि जो मेरा प्रोफाइल है, जो मेरा एम है, what I want to be in my life, am I looking like that? क्या मेरा passion, profession, aim, and how I am looking right now is matching? Fine, because this is your first impression. Now I'm coming to point number 2. The moment you start talking to someone, the target, the focus shifts from body to mind. जैसे हम बात करना शुरू करते हैं, we start finding out कि भाई वो आदमी कैसे बोलता है, क्या उसके पास knowledge है, which type of communication he is having. And the moment you start talking, your focus is now not on appearance. वो दिखने में कैसा है. Now you focus what he talks, how he talks. And अगर कोई आदमी दिखने में बहुत ही साधारण है, but he talks great, you become influenced. कि आदमी दिखने में बड़ा सिंपल है, but बातें काफी अच्छी करता है, knowledgeable है, he is having a good communication. And similarly, अगर कोई आदमी दिखने में बड़ा अच्छा दिख रहा है, but he doesn't have any seriousness in his talk, that also again is going to be negative. यानी कि body is going to help you only if your mind is supporting it. आपका appearance, आपका getup तभी तक काम करता है when your knowledge and communication it is matching with that. यानी अब हमें भी focus करना है कि whatever passion I have, profession I have, aim I have, I should also having knowledge and communication to match that. अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर हूं तो मेरे बोलने का ढंग और मेरा नॉलेज एक डॉक्टर के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. If I'm a lawyer, if I'm an engineer, I'm a teacher, I'm a student of class 10th, 12th, graduation, यानी कि हम जिस भी पायदान पे हैं, हमारा नॉलेज और कम्युनिकेशन हमारे एम से, हमारे पैशन से, हमारे प्रोफेशन से मैच करना चाहिए. So the first part is your grooming. The second part is your knowledge and communication. And now we come to the third part, soul, yani behavior. The meaning is atma, but here it is behavior. और ये थर्ड में मैंने लिखा है, but this is going to be the most important part. You are looking fantastic. You are having a great knowledge and communication. But if your behavior is not right, वो पहले के दोनों पॉइंट जो हैं आपके, वो automatically it will become negative. And on the contrary, if your appearance is normal, your knowledge and communication is okay, average, normal. But if your behavior is fantastic, you are going to become very popular among everyone. और इसको टेस्ट करने के लिए you can check. If I have two friends, one is having excellent appearance, excellent knowledge and skill, knowledge and communication, but a very bad behavior. And the second one is having simple appearance, simple knowledge and communication, but fantastic behavior. Out of these two, which one is going to become my best friend? हम जब भी अपना दोस्त चुनते हैं, we always think, we always take into consideration कि उसका behavior कैसा है. So अगर आपको अपनी personality बहुत ही अच्छी करनी है, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा जो काम करना है, that is your behavior, then knowledge and communication, and then appearance. I hope this is going to be very, very clear to all of you. अगर clear है तो you can just raise your hand or you can do some thumbs up. So I will be knowing you are getting my points. Right? ये all points are clear? Okay. So अब हम ये देखते हैं कि body, mind and soul, they are important. हमको समझ में आ गया. Now you look for your 24 hours routine. क्या हम अपने 24 घंटे में अपने बिहेवियर के ऊपर काम करते हैं, नॉलेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर काम करते हैं, अपने अपीयरेंस के ऊपर काम करते हैं? तो आप पाएंगे कि यस, अपने फिजिकल अपीयरेंस को मेंटेन करने के लिए, अपने हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए वी डू अ लॉट. अपने नॉलेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन को मेंटेन करने के लिए वी डू अ लॉट. बट बिहेवियर को मेंटेन करने के लिए वी डोंट डू मच. सो this is giving us a very nice tip that in my 24 hours timetable there should be a slot for development of my behavior. बहुत important है, right? So with the help of these three things, my behavior, my knowledge and communication, and my appearance, I can attain, I can get the best personality possible. Fine. Now we are coming to the second point, which is soft skill versus hard skill or technical skill. आप जो कुछ भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, suppose if somebody is doing preparation for engineering, आप physics, chemistry, math पढ़ रहे हैं, that is your technical skill. You are studying that so that you can crack the competition. Suppose you are a student of engineering, then you are studying different topics, subjects, so that you can become a good engineer. ये सब का सब आपका टेक्निकल नॉलेज है, टेक्निकल स्किल आप इससे गेन करेंगे. बट व्हेन यू विल ज्वाइन अ कंपनी, you will become an employee or you become an entrepreneur, then you will find that only technical skill is not going to help me. With technical skill also I should have soft skill. और soft skill क्या है? I should be able to communicate well. I should be able to motivate, influence. I should be able to work in a team. I should be knowing how to empathize with other persons. I should be a great leader. I should be good in writing skills. And then you will find out कि हमारे life में we have not spent much time on developing our soft skill. And my tip to all of you is that apart from your studies every day, half an hour, 45 minutes, please take out to develop your soft skill, right? Because technical skill is going to give you a job. But after getting a job, development in that company, development, or you can say growth in your profile is possible only if you are also having a great soft skill, right? So my advice to all of you who are aiming for some job or some higher studies, that every day spend some time on developing your soft skills also. Now, coming to my third point, that is power of communication. So, in soft skill, जो सबसे ज़्यादा important point है, which I feel, is power of communication. अगर आपको लोगों से बात करने की टेक्निक मालूम है, how to influence, how to put my thoughts, how to put my points, you are fantastic. आप कभी नहीं पाएंगे कि एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे से बात करता हो, he is a good communicator, orator, और वो जिंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहा हो. If he is a good communicator, he knows how to influence people and get the work done. So, out of developing your soft skill, you should be spending a great time in developing your communication. और communication का मतलब सिर्फ इंग्लिश हिंदी में बातचीत करना नहीं है. आपके बात करने का तरीका, आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपका ओवरऑल आपकी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है कि आपसे मिलने के बाद लोग बोलते हैं, वाओ, आज इस व्यक्ति से मुलाकात हुई एंड व्हाट अ सुपर पर्सनालिटी, क्या बातें करता है, क्या थॉट्स उसके पास में है, राइट? जैसे ही आपके पास में ये क्वालिटी आ गई, द ग्रेट कम्युनिकेशन, यू हैव बिकम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, ऑटोमेटिकली योर वर्क इज डन. फिर आप अपने जिंदगी में कहीं भी हाथ डालेंगे, यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. अदरवाइज आप कुछ भी बन जाएंगे, यू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर ऑल्सो, आपको बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल का सामना करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द जिस्ट ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप which will happen every Saturday, ki how to develop our personality, how to become a master in communication, how to influence people, how to keep your thoughts in front of anyone without any difficulty, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. So also you have this ABC. With the help of this also you can remember. A is for your appearance, that is body. B is for your behavior, that is soul. And C is for communication, that is your mind. Because you can communicate only well when you have the right knowledge also. Without good knowledge, you cannot communicate. So if I have ABC, I should be confident that I'm going to crack whatever field in which I am working, in which I am marching forward. And this one quotation is very, very important for all of us. Personality is to a man what perfume is to a flower. भी एक ऐसा व्यक्ति बनिए जिसके आने से, जिससे मिलने के बाद वो अपनी एक छाप छोड़ जाए, वो अपनी एक सुगंध छोड़ जाए. आपको उससे मिलने के बाद, बात करने के बाद आपको अच्छा लगे. So be that type of person. And also be in the company of that type of person. ऐसे लोगों से दोस्ती कीजिए, ऐसे लोगों से नेटवर्किंग कीजिए जिनके अंदर ये खूबियां हों, जिनके साथ मिलने का, बात करने का आपका मन करता हो. The moment you have such type of network, automatically you will see that your personality also is changing. Now, I will come to a bit on English also, because whenever I talk to all of you, sometime one-on-one, I talked about communication in English, right? Or English क्यों important है? Now I think all of you must be knowing, it has becoming very fast the global language. You are in any part of India, there's only one language which can unite you, that is English. कई बार ये बात हम सोच नहीं पाते हैं, but if you are working in South India, you're working in East India, you're working in West India, India में भी आप अगर आपको बनना है national, you want to be, you can say, competitive in the entire country, you should have a good knowledge of English, right? So हर दिन we are going to
It's 17:30.
spend some time so that we can become good in communication. Okay, ये बातें शायद हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है, that these 4 activities are important for all of us: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Har din, every day, we have to work on these 4 elements. We have to listen, we have to speak, we have to read, and we have to write. Listening and reading, ये input है informations लेने के लिए. Speaking and writing output है to show that what you have in yourself. Okay, and the most important one is listening. Number 2 is speaking. Number 3 is reading, and number 4 is writing. So all of you who are present in this workshop, I will request, check yourself. Am I listening enough? Am I speaking enough? Am I reading enough? Or am I writing enough? Every day I have to spend time in developing all these 4 elements in my life. And these 5 golden rules I have shared with all of you. If you don't have, I am going to share this PDF with you. You can again note down. ये जो 5 activities हैं, these 5 rules, they are based on listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I have covered all those 4 elements. So if you are doing these 5 things every day as a habit, automatically you are going to become a good communicator, right? So I will also request that make these 5 rules a part of your timetable, your routine, your habit. I will become whatever I want to become in my life also. I'm not going to leave these 5 points. They are going to be with me for the lifetime. Because to become a good communicator, इसका कोई end नहीं है. मैं एक अच्छा वक्ता बन गया हूँ. I have become a good communicator. You cannot say that. Lifelong, you will learn how to communicate better, Fine. So I'm going to have these 5 things with me for the entire life. And always keep in mind these 3 things, that whenever you speak, you have something called body language, you have something called your voice and your content. सबसे important क्या है? Body language, then voice, and then content. So if I have to speak any day, anytime in front of someone, apart from preparing my content, I will also work on my voice, how I speak. And if I am really, so online में ज़्यादा importance नहीं है, because you can't show your body language. But if you're offline, you are on a stage, your body language is going to become the key factor. Fine. So when I speak, I will suggest all of you that whenever you are speaking somewhere, always try to record how you have spoken on a stage or in front of your audience, and try to go through it. Go through your recording. How I spoke, how was my body language, how was my voice, how was my content, where all I can develop myself. Recording yourself and analyzing yourself is very, very important. And I think you all must be having a timetable. If you have a timetable, fantastic. If you don't have a timetable, please make it. And in a timetable, you try to put that 5 golden rules. You try to put a time for developing your behavior, developing your personality, right? So these things, if you'll keep in mind, you will make a part of your daily life, your routine. Automatically, without any effort, you will develop into a great person, right? So timetable is very important. And these 5 lines I have kept for all of you, which you can always repeat every morning. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner, and today is my day. Fine. I will tell you a story of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, it's a very long story. We don't have that much of time, but I will tell you the gist. Steve Jobs, he got cancer. And after getting cancer, everybody was thinking that Steve Jobs is going to take, you can say, retirement. He's going to spend more time with family, in travel, in taking rest. But Steve Jobs started working more vigorously. और ज़्यादा काम करना उसने शुरू कर दिया. And the doctor told that Steve Jobs is going to die in 3-4 months. But he survived for 7 years. Doctors ने कहा कि आप 3-4 महीने में आपकी मृत्यु हो जाएगी, but he lived for 7 years. Now, somebody asked him in a press conference that, Steve sir, tell me, you are supposed to die in 3-4 months, and how come you have survived and you are so well? किसी ने पूछ लिया उनसे. And then Steve Jobs told कि whenever I get up in the morning, every day I think that today is the last day of my life. And then I start working with my full momentum, my full energy, my full speed. And that's the reason I am alive. Because my work, my passion, my dedication towards my work is keeping me alive. So every day morning, we must ask ourselves कि आज हमें क्या करना है. क्या आज का दिन हमारी लाइफ का बेस्ट डे हो सकता है? क्या आज के दिन हम किसी की लाइफ को टच कर सकते हैं? फाइन. सो दैट कि सपोज इफ यू आर नॉट देयर टुमारो, कोई तो दिन ऐसा आएगा जो कि हमारी जिंदगी का लास्ट डे होगा, राइट? तो हम ऐसा काम करके जाएं कि सब बोले कि वाओ, अंत तक ही वाज डूइंग हिज फैंटास्टिक जॉब, ही वाज डूइंग ग्रेट वर्क. फाइन. So every day morning, I am the best, I can do it, God is with me, I am a winner, and today is my day. In तरीकों से we can motivate ourselves, we can energize ourselves, right? And these are top 10 soft skill, मैंने जान करके आपको ये दिखला दिया है. This is going to be the discussion of next workshop. आप देखेंगे कि ये जो 10 चीजें हैं, वो 10 चीजें common नहीं है. We never learn these skills in our college, in our school. Nobody discuss about these points in our life. Strong work ethic, पता नहीं, किसी स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ाई नहीं होती. Dependable, positive attitude, self-motivated, team-oriented, organized, works well under pressure, effective communicator, flexible and confident. ये 10 टॉप सॉफ्ट स्किल हैं जो कि हमारे आपके अंदर होने चाहिए. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि ये जब मैं आपको आज भेज दूंगा ये सारे पीडीएफ, ये 10 सॉफ्ट स्किल आप ध्यान से पढ़ें, इसको समझने का प्रयास करें. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विथ एनी वन ऑफ देम, प्लीज लेट मी नो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन देम. एंड देन प्लीज एसेस कि मेरे अंदर इन 10 में से कौन सा स्किल है, कौन सा स्किल मीडियम है और कौन सा नहीं है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मीडियम है और नहीं है. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग दीज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इन योर पर्सनालिटी. एंड देन यू विल फाइंड दैट द मोमेंट यू हैव ऑल दीज 10 विथ यू, नो वन कैन बीट यू. आप इंजीनियरिंग करो, मेडिकल करो, नॉर्मल बीए करो, बीएससी करो, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू विल डू, बट whatever you will do, in whichever field you will go, you will shine, you will rock if you have these 10 soft skills. Fine. So we are going to discuss on these soft skills in the next workshop. In the meantime, I will also request all of you, if you have any topic in your mind which you want to discuss on this platform, please message me and I will also incorporate those points in my workshop. So it's 5:39, 40 minutes का ये schedule है Zoom का, and I'm not going to make it a bigger one because small, short and crisp is the best part. So I think, thank you very much. You can note down all your questions and you can connect with me one by one and we will discuss and resolve all your issues. Thank you very much. See you again next week on 23rd of January at 5 p.m. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Professor.
much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.